Hello guys, and today, flashbacking, I'm not really sure, but in our first video, which was the house tour, so when I'm in the house, as you can see, there's some grounds behind me that I forgot to show you, with stuff with painting up there, there, and a pineapple lamp. And yeah, today, I'm going to be making very weird noises, so, let's see in the comments if you can do any weirder noises than the ones I can do. Right, here's my first one. On the mega stars. Can you make that one? Comment down below. The second one that I'm going to do is just. Can you make that one? Comment down below. And the third one is, I think, yeah, this one's good. Can you make that one? You sure? You can make those three. You are good. And then, so probably 80% people can do that. No, actually no. What am I talking about? No. I don't know how many people can do that. As I said, comment down below. Yeah. So, the fourth noise, is it? I think the fourth noise that I'm going to be doing is... Can you make that one? Comment down below. It will be appreciated if you like and subscribe. Please. I'm a beggar. I'm begging for like and subscribers. Right, enough crying and being a crybaby, George. Stop. The fifth noise that I'm going to be doing is that one's quite easy, so you should be able to do that. If you don't know how to do that, then work on your noises. The sixth one might be I have really good ones, but I can't think. Right, I think I got it. The sixth is going to be. Do you make that noise? Right, that took a lot of effort to do. I'm so sorry. I'm feeling really sick. The worst thing about it is I have rugby. Rugby. Wait. Rugby. Wait. Why are you looking at my ear? Not my ear. What is that? Rugby. Yeah, that's gonna make me really more sick. Well, I don't have to do it if I don't want to. So, yeah. The seventh noise might be. Hello guys, what's up? If you can make that noise, I don't know if you can or not. Just doesn't matter about that. Just comment down below if you can make any of the noises that I can make so far. We're going to do 10, so the 8th one, I believe, yeah, the 8th one is, oh my god, it's hard. hard trying to think back. I think I'm going to be doing this one. Can you make that? Can you make that noise? Comment down below if you cannot. So the 9th noise is. Can you make that one? Comment down below. The final noise that I'm going to be making is dun 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 dun. Drum roll, please. Like. So, can you make that one? Comment down below. So, that's the end of the video. And I shall see you guys next time, if there is a next time. So, yeah. Goodbye. I'm gonna run out of breath.